Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have a new mock for you, Lego mock for you guys. And if you don't know what mock means, it actually stands for my own creation. So that's what this is, my own creation. So this, I wanted to make a building from my home state, Utah. So this is actually Ogden City Hall. It's in Utah. It's always looked really cool to me, so I wanted to make it for you guys out of Lego. If you have no clue what that building looks like and you're wondering, it'll be on screen right now. It looks really similar to this. This is just a little bit different. There's lots of details in these windows and it took forever to make. So I'm going to have a time lapse right now. And then after the time lapse, I'm going to show you all the details. So let's go. Okay guys, so I'm gonna start at the bottom for you guys. So this is the front door. It's actually really small to the real thing because this is not minifigure scale though. This is the front door. It looks really cool. And then if you look all around the whole thing almost, there's gonna be these 1x1 windows. And we decided to make these windows because it looks really cool. And as you saw in the time lapse, it takes a lot of time for these things. You're just putting 1x1 bricks all around it. So that's pretty much the whole thing on the outside. It's not a door on the back side though. So if we go up on the back side, we have so many windows. There's so much. Then on the sides up here, this is actually the back. So if you want to see the front on the second floor, it looks almost the exact same as the back. So on the sides, there's these little platforms. It's just how the building goes. It's very cool. And then it's kind of like Will's Tower that we made. If you want to see that video, I'll be in the description along with my other Lego building mocks. So right up here we have more lips, and then we go to the top. The top's actually really cool because there's some accessories in it, like what it actually looks like. They've got some bars right there for detail, and then there's like this little tank on top, which is really cool. And then there's like some other random stuff in there that we put in there. So that's what that looks like. It's really cool. We actually made these windows right here with jumper plates, because they're a little bit thinner than the other windows, and they're 2 blocks taller. So that's why I built those right there. It's on both sides too. It's a little complicated. There's actually windows down here too. There could be doors, I'm not exactly sure. And so I'll just give you one more view of this thing. That's what it looks like around it. It's super cool. And I don't have instructions for these, sorry guys, but it's just so big. It's pretty easy to make your own Lego building. And if you want to know how these things work, it's pretty simple to know how that works. So you can pause the video right now and see it. So yeah, that's how that works. It's really cool with this. And one of the bad things is that we drop a piece down here, like in our old Lego buildings, but we could get them out easily this time because of the doors. In our other giant white Lego buildings, we had a hard time. We had to tip the whole thing over, if you can see that in the time lapses of the old ones. So that's that. And yeah. Alright guys, so that's it for the video. If you like this content, make sure to look down in the description. I'll have the other two white buildings I've made, and you can click on my channel icon to see all my other videos. And if you want to see new ones that come out, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications.